We're back on the 1954 International on the 2003 F-150 chassis. I think it's time that we kind of wrap up this floor section there so we can start kind of putting some pieces in on the side and maybe buttoning up the firewall. So come over here, I'll show you kind of what we got going on today, and let's just get at it. Welcome to Hi-Ho Stable Garage. This is kind of where we left off. Recap. We gotta do some stuff there, do a little bit of stuff there, got some stuff there, but the ones we're really concerned about is here, here, and maybe this little patch right there. Kind of get that out of the way. So I got an old for sale sign here. I'm just gonna kind of trace it out there, cut it to shape, and then we're gonna go cut it up in some steel. All right, so this is kind of what we got going on. As you can see, fits in there pretty snug. Let me go make that out of steel. Blammo! There's the steelo. So we're just gonna kind of start tacking that little guy in there, working them around, and then we're gonna start going for this guy over here in the corner. Alright, so there you go. It's all finished welded in. Whole front, whole back, all cut and butt. Let's try to get this back panel now. I like the old snap of my fingers thing that we used to do, so with the snap of my fingers, we're gonna have this bad boy tacked in. Alright, it's all tacked in. Bam, 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 bam. Now it's time to do some cut and butt. It pretty much fit pretty good. A little bit of a gap here, but nothing our welder can't jump. But we gotta just snip that little bit off there, and we'll fully seam weld that in. Power of a snap. So with the snap, 1, 2, 3. All right, so it's all Zeused in. You know, it's all Zeused in, all JB welded with the JB weld machine. So we're gonna keep it going. Boom, bada bing, finish weld. Here we go. I guess I was supposed to snap. There you go. But this is all finished welded in, cut and butt. We got all that in. We're gonna do up 2 triangles, bang, 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 or bang, bang. Yes, we're gonna put 2 triangles in here, basically, so we can get our anglage. And yeah, with the snap of my fingers, here we go. All right, so we're actually running out of daylight, as you can see, but we still got a little bit more work, so don't worry, it's coming. All right, fellas, so there we go. We got our 2 triangles fully welded in. That's kind of the floor pan as it sits right now. We got some cloudage around, but I'm gonna see about just kind of keeping this project going. So let's see if maybe I can get my piece in right here, and that will be able to cap this piece off completely. Basically, so then we can build this floor here, and then eventually we can grab this inside panel and finish this inside panel. So let me try that there, fellas. And if it starts to rain, I'll see you guys in the barn. Got it all tacked in there. Let's Zeus this guy in. All right, we hung out basically as long as we could. It's pretty dark out now. But we got this little panel in, right there, right between. But the floor is pretty much done, other than this little tiny bit right there. Next time we work on the cab, it's going to be just that joining piece around the pedals, the inner piece here, up on the firewall, and vice versa on the other side. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Likely on that cab, maybe on some doors, who knows. Very, very soon. All right, see ya.